Hola, buenos días. Bueno, depende de la hora del día en que estés viendo este video. Bienvenidos a la primera clase de matemáticas. Welcome to the first online class, math online class. This is how we're going to be working for the next couple of weeks. Thankfully, you already have some experience receiving instruction from me through videos, so I hope that although this is difficult, that it is not as difficult for you, because I have, done some things online with you guys. So please just be patient and this is our situation and we're gonna get through it, okay? We're gonna do the best that we can. So obviously I'm in the patio of my apartment. Estoy en el patio de mi apartamento, así que vas a escuchar muchos sonidos. Vas a escuchar las aves, los pájaros, vas a escuchar el ruido del aire, las máquinas que se usan para dar aire al apartamento. Es posible que escuches perros ladrando. Trata de concentrarte aquí, ¿ok? Y si veo que estoy dando una clase y el sonido es muchísimo, solamente lo que voy a hacer un timeout, voy a pausar el video y voy a seguir ya cuando se acabe el sonido, ¿ok? Así que por hoy debe ser lunes, tienes que estar haciendo esto en lunes en la clase de matemáticas, ¿ok? So let's go ahead and begin. So as I do this here, this is more of a quick reminder of what to do to do the skill for math today. You don't have to write this down. This is just to refresh your mind of stuff you've already learned, and that's because this is gonna help you with the following slides. Okay, today we're gonna be working on volume. Okay, also I'm sitting down because if I stand up, my head is gonna cut off. So sometimes I might get up and you might not see my head. I'm still here, I promise. All right, volume. So when we were talking about volume, if you remember, there are three things that are connected to volume. You have your length and your width, right? And these are part of the base of a 3D shape. So in reality, this is a rectangle, okay? It could be a square too, but the base of a rectangle has a length and has a width. When you multiply those two, you basically find the area, okay? Time out. All right. So this is the area of the base. When you multiply the length times the width, you're finding the area of the base, right? That's why sometimes the formulas for volume, it has B times the height, which is gonna come up right now, okay? But to find the value of any rectangular prism, you're gonna have to multiply the length times the width. Just remember that. Now, the height comes in whenever it's an actual rectangular prism. And for example, here, okay, this is a box to make the chocolate dipped strawberries. I found it here. Now, if you see, the base is a rectangle. Well, it looks like a square, but really is a rectangle because this side here is longer just by very small amount than this one. So here is the length. So this would be the length, and this one here is the width, okay? Now, the height is from the bottom up, okay? So what that looks like is you have your shape, your rectangular prism. Right? Here's your length, here's your width, and from the top, bottom up, that's gonna be your height. And this height is the same length as this height and this height. And back here, there are some lines we don't see because they're behind. That's why I do dotted lines, right? So to find the volume equal length times width times height. Or in the case of this, volume equals base times height. Okay? Now, volumen es básicamente cuánto espacio cabe adentro de una caja, adentro de un prisma rectangular. Volume is basically the amount of space inside a rectangular shape. Don't forget that. That's really important. Obviously, it's at home. You know, I encourage you guys to find things at home that have volume. Okay? All right. Now in the upcoming slides, you're gonna be doing this, right? So make sure you write your formula every time, and if they don't give you a picture, you write the picture yourself. All right? And all right, get to work.